Okay, so we're going to start off with just writing a problem just like this, and you can have him line it up like this. 42 plus 79. Now, everything on this side is the ones position, and the 2 and the 9 are considered ones, so we will count them as ones. Over here in the tens column, we have the 4 and the 7. These are considered tens, so we will count them in tens, hence the 40. 4 tens is 40. So when he lines it up like this, he can then move over to this side and make a chart. So he's going to sign up a chart. He's going to make a chart that has hundreds, tens, and ones. Excuse my handwriting right here. And like I said before, everything on this side is ones right here, and everything on this side is tens right here. So we can start by writing out the number of ones that we have. So we have 2 ones. I drew 2 dots representing the 2 ones. Right here we have 9 ones, and I drew 9 dots representing the 9 in the ones place. Now, when we move to the tens column, I'm gonna draw out like how I did the ones, and just remember that these are actually tens, not ones. So 10, 20, 30, 40 represents the the 4. Then I have the 7. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now, when we go to add the problem, because 2 plus 9 is 11, and we can't write 11 right here, we have to do what's called unbundle a 10. So over here in the ones column, we have altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ones, which means we can unbundle a 10. So we can transfer 10 ones from this column, from the ones column, to the tens column. And when we transfer them, we're not going to be writing them out as 10 ones. We're going to be representing it as 1 10. So I transfer all 10 of these to this side. And that is because you cannot write an 11 in the ones spot. You need to transfer some ones to make a 10. So once I transfer the ones to make a 10, I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I can't put 2 numbers in the 10 spot as well. So that means I have to unbundle a 10 again. I have to unbundle tens again to move to, this is the new column, the hundreds column. Now, the hundreds column represents hundreds. So this means that this represents 10 tens. So back over here in our tens column, we're going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we move back over here, and we're going to transfer our tens to the hundreds column, because now we have 100, 10 tens, and we're going to transfer this here. So that will leave our answer to count down what we have left in the columns. So over here in the ones column, we transfer these ones, so we only have 1 in the ones column. We bring down the 1. In this column, we transfer 10 tens to the hundreds column. So we bring down, so now we're left with 2 tens, 1, 2. And in the hundreds column, the hundreds space, we only have 1 100. This is 1, to leave our answer 121.